I failed. Well, kinda. About a year ago, I started working through The Natural Way to Draw by Kimon Nicolaïdes. I told myself I'd complete every exercise in order. I didn't. For a while, I thought that meant I failed, but somewhere along the way, I realized I wasn't quitting, I was learning. The biggest lesson wasn't a drawing technique, it was learning how to really look, to stop drawing what I thought I saw and start drawing what was actually there. Those exercises changed how I approach every sketch, even though I haven't finished the book. So this is where the channel goes from here. We'll use simple references and practice the skills that made the biggest difference for me: gesture, contour, form. The goal is for these skills to carry over into more challenging subjects and the things you really want to draw. My hope is that you'll notice small changes in your drawings almost immediately, like I did, that the blank page won't feel quite so intimidating when you're ready to start, and that you'll become better at seeing and observing. So let's keep learning to draw together, one sketch at a time.